Mastering manners. Polite expressions for accepting offers in English. Hello learners. Welcome to another video in our conversational English series. Today, we're focusing on something truly essential: how to use please and thank you when accepting offers. These phrases aren't just words. They're powerful tools in English conversation, helping to make our interactions more respectful and pleasant. Let's dive right in. Please and thank you are considered basic manners in many cultures, but especially so in English-speaking cultures. The phrase please is often used when asking for something, and the phrase thank you is used to express gratitude when receiving. When it comes to accepting offers, we usually use thank you, but sometimes please can come into play too. Let's explore how. When someone offers you something, the most straightforward and common way to accept it is by saying thank you. For instance, 1. Would you like a cup of coffee? Yes, thank you. 2. Can I help you with your bags? That would be great, thank you. In both examples, we acknowledge the person's kindness and gratefully accept their offer. The word please isn't typically used to accept offers, but it can be utilized to do so in some contexts, specifically when you are requesting something. For example, 1. Would you like me to open the window? Yes, please do. 2. Can I get you a drink? Yes, a glass of water, please. In these situations, please softens your response and makes it more polite. In some scenarios, you might even use please and thank you together. When accepting an offer and making a request at the same time. For example, 1. Would you like some cake? Yes, a small piece, please. Thank you. 2. Can I get you something from the shop? Could you please get me a newspaper? Thank you. This way, you're not only accepting the offer but also expressing your gratitude and showing respect. That wraps up our video on using please and thank you when accepting offers. Remember, these simple words can do wonders in making your conversations more polite and respectful. So, don't forget to use them. As always, happy learning, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more English learning videos.